Hello, my friend. Please relax. Sit comfortably. Take a slow breath. Today, we are talking about only 7 rules. Not 10, not 20. These 7 rules is enough. If you understand this rule and if you follow this rule, your life can change completely in 2026. This rule is not difficult, but it is serious. Most people ignore this rule. That is why most people struggle. The rule is simple: control your time, or time will control your life. Now listen carefully, slowly. One sentence at a time. What is time? Time is life. Time is energy. Time is opportunity. When you give time to something, you give a part of your life. Every day has 24 hours. Not more, not less. Rich people have 24 hours. Poor people have 24 hours. Students have 24 hours. Workers have 24 hours. The difference is not time. The difference is use of time. Some people use time to grow. Some people use time to waste. And some people do not even know where time goes. Why most people's life does not change? Most people want change, but they do not change their daily routine. They want success, but they sleep late. They want money, but they waste mornings. They want respect, but they waste years. They say, from tomorrow, I will change. Tomorrow never comes. Life changes only when daily use of time changes. How people lose time every day? Let us be honest. People lose time in small ways. They wake up, they check phone, they scroll without reason. 1 minute becomes 10 minutes. 10 minutes becomes 1 hour. They say, I am just relaxing. But relaxation without control becomes addiction. Then they feel tired. They feel lazy. They feel unmotivated. But the real problem is not motivation. The real problem is time leakage. Time leakage very important. Time leakage means your time is going somewhere without your permission. Social media, useless videos, unnecessary chatting, overthinking. You do not feel it daily, but slowly. Months disappear. Years disappear. Then one day you ask, what did I do in last 5 years? The question hurts. The pain of wasted time. Wasted time creates regret. Regret creates sadness. Sadness creates frustration. Sadness creates frustration. Frustration creates anger. Many people are angry not because life is bad, but because they waste time. Time once gone never returns. This truth is hard, but it is real. Successful people think differently. Successful people are not superhuman. They are not lucky. They just understand time. They know that every hour matters. They plan their day. They protect their morning. They respect their night. They do not allow everyone to take their time. They say no easily. They understand on things clearly. If I do not control my time, I cannot control my life. Morning time is gold. Morning decides the whole days. If you waste morning, the day becomes weak. If you use morning, if you use morning well, the day becomes powerful. Waking up early does not mean 4 a.m. It means waking up before distractions, before phone, before noise. Just one quiet hour in morning can change your mindset. Read, plan, learn, think. Morning time builds discipline. Night time is also important. Many people destroy their life at night. Late sleeping, phone is bad, mind full of noise. Late nights create lazy mornings. Lazy mornings create bad days. Bad days create a bad life. Sleep is not a waste of time. Sleep is recovery. When you sleep on time, your mind becomes fresh. Your body becomes strong. Respect sleep. Respect night. Busy does not mean productive. Many people are busy all day, but busy does not mean productive. Running here and there is not progress. Doing important work is progress. You can be busy and poor. You can be busy and unhappy. Productivity means doing the right thing at the right time. Important work vs easy work. Easy work gives comfort. Important work gives growth. Scrolling is easy. Learning is important. Complaining is easy. Improving is important. Sleeping more is easy. Waking up early is important. Life improves when you choose important work over easy work. Time discipline creates self-respect. When you control time, you respect yourself. When you wake up on time, your confidence increases. When you complete tasks, your self-belief grows. Slowly you trust yourself. Self-trust is power. People who cannot control time do not trust themselves. They break promises to themselves. This is dangerous. Daily time control formula. Simple. You do not need a big plan. Use this simple formula. Wake up at fixed time. Do one important task daily. Avoid phone for first 1 hour. Sleep at fixed time. That is enough. Consistency matters more than perfection. Phone is the biggest time thief. Phone is a tool, but it has become a master. Phone touch phone hundreds of times a day. This destroys focus. Control phone, or phone will control your brain. Keep phone away during work. Check phone at fixed times. Do not sleep with phone. 1 hour rule life changing. Give 1 hour daily to your future. 1 hour learning, 1 hour skill, 1 hour growth. 365 hours in one year. This one habit can change your position in life. But most people say, I do not have 1 hour. Truth is, they give hours to phone. Time and confidence. When you use time well, confidence increases. When you waste time, guilt increases. Guilt kills motivation. Use time properly to perfect your confidence. Time control is self-control. Time control is not about clock. It is about discipline. If you can control time, you can control habits. If you can control habits, you can control future. Everything starts with time. Excuse about time. I am tired, I am busy, I will start tomorrow. These are lies. You are not tired, you are distracted, you are not busy, you are unfocused. Tomorrow is an excuse. 2026 is watching you. 2026 will not ask questions. It will give results. If you respect time, 2026 will reward you. If you waste time, 2026 will teach you hard lessons. The choice is yours. Rule 2. Improve yourself every single day. Self-improvement is not about big change. It is about small daily progress. If you improve yourself a little every day, your future improves automatically. Most people wait for the right time, but the right time never comes. People say, I will start when life becomes easy. Life never becomes easy. You must become stronger. That is why daily self-improvement is important. A small improvement is powerful. You do not need to change your life in one day. That is impossible. You only need to change today. Read on page. Learn on new word. Practice on small skills. These actions look small, but they are powerful. 1% improvement every day creates big results in 1 year. Stop waiting for motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel strong. Some days you feel tired. If you wait for motivation, you will not move forward. Discipline is more important. Do your work even when you feel lazy. Do your practice even when you feel tired. This is how strong people are made. Compare only with yourself. Never compare your life with others. Someone starts early. Someone has more resources. This is not in your control. What is in your control? What is in your control is your daily effort. Compare yourself with yesterday. Ask yourself every night, did I improve today? If the answer is yes, you are on the right path. Learning should never stop. Learning keeps you alive. When you stop learning, you stop growing. Learn communication. Learn a new skill. Learn discipline. Use your phone wisely. Use your phone wisely. Watch useful content. Listen to educational audio. Learning daily makes you confident. Daily self-improvement habit. Keep it simple every day. Learn on small thing. Practice on useful skill. Think about your mistakes. Plan improvement for tomorrow. This is enough. Do not make it complicated. Self-improvement builds confidence. Confidence does not come from thinking. Confidence comes from action. When you improve daily, you start trusting yourself. Self-trust removes fear. When fear reduces, life becomes easier. Bad days are normal. Some days you will feel low. Some days nothing will work. Do not quit. One bad days. Do something very small. Even 5 minutes is enough. Consistency is more important than a speed. Self-improvement changes identity. When you improve daily, your identity changes. You stop saying, I cannot. You start saying, I am learning. This a small shift changes everything. Rule 3. Control your mind before it controls you. Your mind talks all day. It gives you thoughts, good thoughts, bad thoughts. If you do not control your mind will control your actions. Most people lose in life not because they are weak, but because their mind is weak. Not every thought is true. Your mind creates many thoughts, but not every thought is correct. Your mind might say, you are not good enough, you will fail. People will laugh. These thoughts feel real, but they are not facts. A strong people question their thoughts. Weak people believe every thought. When a negative thought comes, pause for 1 second. Ask yourself, is this thought helping me? Is this thought true? Most of the time, the answer is no. Fear is created in the mind. Fear does not live outside. Fear lives inside the mind. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of rejection. Fear stops action. Action builds confidence. Do not wait for fear to disappear. Act even with fear. When you act, fear becomes smaller. Overthinking destroys peace. Thinking is useful. Overthinking is dangerous. Overthinking wastes time. Overthinking creates stress. Most problems excite only in the mind. They never happen in real life. Learn to stop overthinking. When you feel stuck, take action. Action is the best medicine for overthinking. Train your mind daily. Your body needs exercise. Your mind also needs training. Feed your mind with good content. Avoid negative news. Avoid toxic people. Read positive words. Listen to calm audio. Start your day with good thoughts. Your day will improve. Power of silence. Silence is powerful. Sit quietly for a 5 minutes daily. No phone, no talking, just breathe slowly. Silence clears the mind. Silence gives clarity. People fear silence, but silence makes you strong. Self-talk saves your life. Self-talk saves your life. The why you talk to yourself matters. If you say, I am weak, you feel weak. If you say, I am learning, you grow. Change your self-talk. Speak kindly to yourself. Mind control creates discipline. When you control your mind, you control your habits. When you control your habits, you control your future. Everything starts from the mind. Rule 4. Build strong habits and remove bad ones. Your life is the result of your habits, not your goals, not your wishes, not you do daily decides who you become. Habits work silently. Habits do not show results immediately. They work slowly. Bad habits destroy life quickly. Good habits build life quickly. That is why habits are powerful. Motivation is not reliable. Motivation comes and goes. Habits stay. Habits stay. If you wait for motivation, you will fail. Build habits instead. Do the work even when you do not feel like doing it. Start your very small. Start every small. Most people fail because they start too big. They want to change everything in one day. This never works. Start small. Read 5 minutes Walk 10 minutes. Practice one thing. A small habits grow naturally. Replace. Do not just remove. Do not only remove bad habits. Replace them. If you stop scrolling phone, start reading. If you stop late nights, start morning routine. The mind needs activity. Give it a better option. Consistency is more important than speed. Doing something daily for 10 minutes is better than doing it once a week for 2 hours. Never break the habit chain, even on bad days. Do something small. This builds self trust. Environment shapes habits. Your environment controls your habits. If phone is near you, you will use it. If books are near you, you will read. Change your environment. Make good habits easy. Make bad habits difficult. Habits create identity. When you act daily, you become that person. If you read daily, you become a reader. If you exercise daily, you become healthy. Identity is built by habits. Discipline is freedom. Discipline looks hard at first, but it gives freedom later. When habits are strong, life becomes easy. You do not think, you just act, one habit at a time. Do not try to change everything. Focus on one habit. Master it. Then move to the next. Slow progress is real progress. Rule 5. Take full responsibility for your life. Your life is your responsibility. No one else will live your life for you. When you blame others, you give away your power. When you take responsibility, you take control. Stop blaming others. Many people blame parents. Many people blame teachers. Many people blame situation. Blaming feels easy, but it changes nothing. Blame keeps you weak. Responsibility makes you strong. Responsibility makes you strong. Victim mindset versus honor mindset. Victim mindset says, "This is not my fault." Honor mindset says, "What can I do now?" Victims wait, honors act. Life rewards action. Your response matters. You cannot control everything, but you can control your response. Problems will come, failures will come. Problems will come, failures will come. How you react decides your future. Mistakes are lessons. Mistakes are part of growth. If you learn, mistakes help you. If you repeat, mistakes hurt you. Take lessons. Move forward. Excuse destroys progress. Excuse sound logical, but they stop growth. I have no time. I will start tomorrow. Tomorrow is an excuse. Start now. Start small. Responsibility builds confidence. When you take responsibility, you trust yourself. Self trust creates confidence. Confidence creates action. Rule 6. Take care of your health. Health is the base of life. Without health, nothing works properly. Money is useless if your body is weak. Success is empty if your mind is tired. Physical health comes first. Your body works for you every day. Respect it. Sleep on time. Wake up on time. Eat simple food. Avoid too much junk food. Avoid too much junk food. Drink enough water. Walk daily. Move your body. A small daily care keeps your body strong. Mental health is equally important. A tired mind cannot focus. A stressed mind cannot grow. Take breaks. Rest your mind. Do not think all the time. Do not worry all the time. Silence helps the mind. Stress is a silent enemy. Stress destroys health slowly. Most stress comes from overthinking and poor time control. Slow down. Do one thing at a time. Breathe deeply. Good health builds energy. When health is good, energy increases. When energy increases, focus improves. When focus improves, results improve. Health supports every goal. Daily health habits. Keep it simple. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Walk or stretch daily. Eat fresh food. Reduce screen time. These habits protect your future. Health is a long-term investment. You might ignore health today, but health will not ignore you tomorrow. Care today saves pain later. Rule 7. Never give up no matter what. Life will not always be easy. Challenges will come, failures will come, pain will come. Most people stop when it becomes hard, but winners continue. They move forward even when it hurts. Keep going even when tired. You will have days when nothing works, when everyone doubts you, when you doubt yourself. It is normal to feel tired. It is normal to feel lost. But giving up will not help. Continuing is what challenges life. Every small step you take today prepares you for tomorrow. Failure is a teacher. Failure is not the enemy. Quitting is. Every successful person failed many times. They learned lessons. They improved slowly. They moved forward. Failure is temporary. It teaches patience, wisdom, and strength. Silent effort is powerful. You might not see results immediately. People might not notice your hard work, but life notices. Your effort counts. Your patience counts. Roots grow in silence before the tree appears. So do your efforts. Heart-touching closing. One day you will look back and smile quickly. You will remember all the nights you felt weak, all the days you wanted to quit, all the struggles no one saw, and you will feel proud that you did not give up. Your silent struggle will become your loud success. Even when life felt heavy, even then the world doubted you, you choose to continue. Stay strong. Keep moving. Your time is coming.